Here I have XIAOMI Mi Note 3 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the XIAOMI settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by unlocking the device, then find and select the settings. Afterwards you have to scroll down and choose the additional settings right here. From the following menu, let's simply choose backup and reset. It's located right here. Select factory data reset and let's choose reset phone. If you are sure that you want to accomplish the hard reset operation, so erase all personal stuff, customize settings and install apps, let's wait 10 seconds and then you can choose next step. And just in order to confirm the whole operation, you have to read the attention and also wait 10 seconds, and right now the OK key is available, so that you can choose OK and the device is restoring itself. The XIAOMI is deleting all personal stuff. Let's just wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. And as you can see, the welcome panel of MIUI just pops up, so it simply means that hard reset operation is done. Now you can activate your device by using the setup process. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.